Okay, this video is on partial fraction. So first of all, before you can do partial fraction, you must make sure that the numerator is smaller than the denominator. The power at the top must be smaller than the power at the bottom. Okay, so in this case it is already, so we're going to get started. So what we do is we let the expression equals to, look at the denominator, make sure it's factorized. So it's factorized already. So the first denominator, the first factor is x plus 1. In the case of a linear factor, you must put a over x plus 1. Okay. So next, there's a non-factorizable quadratic factor. So it's plus something x plus something over the non-factorizable quadratic. So in this case, it will be bx plus c. So for this question, we're going to do it by comparison method. Okay. So how do we do that? 10x minus 5 equals to a x squared plus 4 plus bx plus c times x plus 1. Okay, so in this case, you times throughout by x plus 1 and x squared plus 4, giving me this, this, and this. So we're going to solve it by comparing. So 10x minus 5 equals to ax plus 4a plus bx squared plus bx plus cx plus c. So arrange it in order: ax squared plus bx plus bx plus cx plus 4a plus c. So that will give me, compare the coefficient. So a plus b equals to 0 because the x squared on the left hand side don't have means 0. So a plus b equals to 0. Next, b plus c is equals to 10. Okay. Next, 4a plus c is equals to negative 5. So what we do is that from this one we know that a equals to minus b. Okay, so we sub this into 2 and 3. So giving me, in the third one, sub this into equation 3, sub 1 into 3. Okay, sub 1 into 3. That will give me 4 negative b plus c equals to negative 5. That will give me c equals to 4b minus 5, equation 4. Sub 4 into 2. Sub 4 into 2. That will give me b plus 4b minus 5 equals to 10. Okay. So that will give me 5b equals to 15, b equals to 3. So from 1, a is equal to negative b, so a is negative 3. And from the equation 2, from 2, b plus c is equal to 10. So 3 plus c is 7, 3 plus c is 10, so c is 7. So now we know that what's a, b, and c already. So therefore, 10x minus 5 upon x plus 1, x squared plus 4 equals to a over x plus 1. A is negative 3 over x plus 1 plus bx plus c. Bx plus c is 3x plus 7 over x squared plus 4. So the first example is done. Now let's look at our second example. In this second example, the numerator and the denominator, we look at it and we discover that the numerator is x cubed, the denominator is x cubed. So it's an improper fraction. So for improper fraction, we must break it into the proper fraction. So we're going to write down the 5x squared minus 3x minus 1 over x cubed plus x squared minus x minus 1. So we're going to divide this divided by this. So 5x3 plus 0x squared minus 3x minus 1 divided by x cubed plus x squared minus x minus 1. So look at this first one, okay, divided by this. So 5x squared divided by x cubed divided 5x cubed divided by x cubed will give me 5. 5 times this will give me 5x cubed plus 5x squared minus 5x minus 5. Bracket it. Gone. Negative 5x squared plus 5x plus 4. Give me a minute. This is wrong. Negative 3 minus 5 minus 5 will give me positive 2. Okay. So that is done for now. So I can write this is equals to 5 plus, okay, 5 plus negative 5x squared plus 2x plus 4 upon x squared minus 1 x squared plus 1. So this is a number integer part and this is a fraction part. You only want to do the fraction part. So we let negative 5x squared plus 2x plus 4 upon, look, this can be factorized into x minus 1 x plus 1. So actually the denominator is x minus 1 x plus 1 square. Okay, so we put a over x minus 1 plus b over x plus 1 plus c over x plus 1 square. So in this example we're going to use a substitution method. So we times 12 by the LCM of the denominator, we get negative 5x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals to a x plus 1 square plus b x plus 1 x minus 1 x plus 1 x minus 1 plus c x minus 1. Okay, in this case we're going to let x equals to 1. Let x be 1, so I get minus 5 plus 2 plus 4 equals to 2 square will give me 4a. The b will disappear, the c will disappear because they contain x minus 1 x minus 1. So sub in, you get 0. So that done, I'm continuing. So I get 1 equals to 4a, a equals to 1 quarter. Next, let x equals to negative 1. Let x is negative 1, then I'll get negative 5 minus 2 plus 4 equals to a will give me 0, the b1 will also give me 0, the c will give me negative 2c. Okay, negative 2c, and that will give me negative 7 plus 4, so negative 3 equals to negative 2c. c equals to 3 over 2. So now I got a and b already. The last one, the c, the b, I'm going to get it by let x equals to 0. Let x be 0, then the left hand side becomes 4 equals to, I sub in 0 into here, give me 1, which will give me a. Okay, and sub in 0 here, give me minus 1 and the b, so give me minus b. And I sub into the c part, okay, so 0 will give me negative c. So I got a and I got b. A is 1 quarter, 4 equals to 1 quarter minus b minus 3 over 2, and that will give me b equals to 1 quarter minus 3 over 2 minus 4. So let's discover what is that. 1 quarter minus 3 over 2 minus 4, and that will give me negative 21 over 4. And let's pause it and let's continue. So we know that the partial fraction negative 5x squared plus 2x plus 4 upon x minus 1 x plus 1 square will be equals to a over x minus 1. So a is 1 quarter, 1 over 4 x minus 1. b is minus 21 over 4, and the denominator is x plus 1 plus the c is 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2, and the denominator is x plus 1 square. Okay, x plus 1 square. So, but this is only the part, the fraction part. Remember, actually is 5 plus the fraction, so the expression is equals to, the original question will be equals to 5 plus 1 quarter x minus 1 minus 21 over 4 x plus 1 plus 3 over 2 x plus 1 square. Okay, so that ends our example.